Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.